Fucking for real. Boy, kidding me, boy.
Only get one life, so I almost died twice. I went triple platinum more than 3 times. What a life, man. Feel like God when the blessing with the trick dice. And I left ass on red, even though it was a tight sin. I ain't married yet, so it's rocky on my right hand. And I'm on stage by myself and with the hype man. Go ahead then, tell me what your price is. Mine says 100 B's, nigga, you can't swipe this. Lost my appetite the way you make this. Be biting, I'm off no sleep, day shift, plus the night shift. Home quick, asking when I'm free, I'm always priceless. I ain't really rocking with you, I ain't on that mic shit. Man, fuck, I'm going right in. I ain't waiting around, fuck all that, I'm going right in. I ain't really rocking with the type of shit you type in. That little shit you flexing, ain't nothing when you got it. If you can fit it in your pocket, just stop it. If I lift it to my ear, just know that's really some light shit. That's just how I'm rocking, I can't wait, I'm going right in. Jumping out the I can't wait on you, I'm right in. Only get one life, swear I almost died twice. I went triple platinum more than 3 times, what a life, man. Feel like God when it blessed me with the trick dice. And I left ass on red, even though it was enticing. I ain't married yet, so it's rocky on my right hand. And I'm on stage by myself and with the hype, man. Go ahead then, tell me what your price is. Mine says 100 B's, niggas, you can't swipe this. That's the mentality, stack the mentality. Pick them all gradually. For real fans, I got it tatted. My brother Jalen Rose got an academy. This shit is not a game. Fuck you mean I'm at the point where a nigga finally famous, give a fuck about no fame. Ask me what my LLC is, it's on my chain. If I die today, just know I live up to my man. Niggas call me big like this shit really my name. You know how I'm coming, I ain't even got explained. In the best shape of my life, she had the crib to get it trained. Going against me is worse than going against the grain. At the front, I give a fuck about no pain. I for real can fill a gallery up with my frame. You ain't coming high, I ain't waiting around, bitch, I'm going right in. Yeah, I'm going right in. That's just how my life is. Only get one life, so I almost died twice. I went triple platinum more than 3 times. What a life, man. Feel like God when it blessed me with the trick dice. And I left ass on red, even though it was the tight shit.
Good. Hit. Hit. Oh, my bad. You're good, you're good.
2020, bitch, they know we the way. Bitch, I gotta have it by the cat today. That bitch, she a double, my mama, she play. Been ready up and not going to skate. I'm independent, I'm holding my weight. Was running in Hondas, now I'm in a race. This Gucci bandana, we bustin' the straight. I'm buying the chain, I spent that on some babes. Me and DC on some blues. She sat in the wave and they copy the blue. Yo, bitch, she a thought on my dick, she be choosing. She peeping the way, she fuck for the movement. Yo, DC, why they trip? Bro, I couldn't even tell you I'm out on the minute. Bitch, that's when these folks moving through our position. Gon' handle your squad, bitch, we do the division.